What's up, everybody? It's your boy here. I don't really kind of sunglasses so far. Um, the main thing about this video today, it's not about like vlog or something. No. The main thing about this video today, it's about retro. I'm bringing you back, guys, to the time whereby I usually love playing Game Boys. Now, on this video, guys, of today, actually, the real thing about this video is about Game Boy, but this kind of Game Boy is not Game Boy for real. I don't have a Game Boy in here in my studio. I got no any Game Boy. What it is, the real thing, the real deal is that we are transforming on the smartphone, the one I was talking with. Hello. We are transforming it into a Game Boy. Now this is bringing back the old time because I saw the application on Google Play Store and I said, why not testing it and share with you guys? It's such an amazing kind of stuff, and you guys, you always love that. Now for further info, let me grab the phone and let me talk about it. Oof, I have the phone on my hand. Now, the real thing about this game is that it's such an amazing way whereby, the first of all, the thing which it got me reflecting on this amazing kind of game is that the way the landscape it is. Yeah, the landscape, it's amazing. Now, the first game, as you can see here, guys, the first and the greatest game of all time, which I love it, it's Super Mario, this one here. The other kind of game which I was playing back in the days, it's Contra. I played this Contra on I found it on my friend's house, so back in the days. Now let us play it and see. It's very simple app. You just open the game, gives you lots and lots of the games. Whoa, oh my, those kind of game which captures you. Now you can just play here. Now you'll just hear the volume music. You guys will love it. Check this out. Check this out. Yeah, this is my song, and right now I'm singing. Everybody should understand this is a retro game, not a smartphone. Everybody wanna know about it, but the game is a real deal. Okay, that's Super Mario Retro on a smartphone. Man, this something application blow my mind, and another kind of stuff which blow my mind is on the joystick, the trackpad on the joystick. The developer who did this, throw thumbs up on him, because he did an amazing kind of job to keep the gaming flow amazing. I'll leave all the links down below so you all know that your homeboy here always show love to you guys. I'll leave all the links down below so as you can get this kind of game and throw hands on it, and you just tell me what's your opinion on the comments down below. So for further info, let us play Super Mario Fast Lane and see what's happening here. Now, if I remember the game how it goes, yeah, I'm always get the problem with this guy here. Okay, you're supposed to not miss that. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab some. Yeah, that's what's up. Okay. Okay, there's a star here if I remember. Yeah, here up. Oops. Nice. There's no star. Still it's power, and I just. So there's something which is amazing about the game is that the multitask, even these two buttons, you can just do this way. Check this out, guys. You can just do it that way. But I couldn't do it that much great because now that's how the retro games actually plays, and this is kind of level 2, and I kind of like it because it's kind of amazing. This is an inspiration from kid to a certain age, you are grown ups right now, but the real thing about retro, it shows you how the game was played. Yeah, that's how our age game it was. We had cartridges, we had Nintendo, we had Game Boy, we had video games, we had many more games, and these games are very amazing. Not only amazing, but they return your memory into back like you were once a kid. Yeah, you were once a kid. So this kind of stuff is very amazing and robust, and I find it's very great. Another kind of stuff about it, it has plenty of retro games inside it. No need of going and buy a cartridge on the smartphone. There's no need of buying a cartridge, or even do cartridge exist in 2018? Say what? So if you have a Game Boy, drop your comments down below and tell me what's your thoughts about Game Boy in 2018. Is it worth it that much? Because we all know that Game Boy is amazing. Yeah, now that's about Game Boy. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to drop that thumbs up, which is amazing. If you feel like you want to subscribe on my YouTube channel, you can do it because it's amazing kind of stuff, and we are on our journey to hit that kind of what? Say what? That kind of 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. It took me so whatever. It took me. Yeah.